going on a hot air balloon ride. I'm so tired.
We're above the clouds.
The following day, we knew it was going to rain all day, so we booked a Turkish cooking class and met a lovely lady called Aisha. It's fine when you do it on the table.
Wow.
That's good. Wow, you got a wow.
Wow. Aisha put into Google Translate, "Do you want to come to my farm in my tractor?" So we said yes, obviously.
Huh? This is amazing. Where we go? Hold on tight, mate.
Spending the day cooking with Aisha was a really great moment from our trip. I highly recommend it. Her Instagram is tagged on screen.
Here we are, sports fans. We are hiking Love Valley. It's supposed to be a two-hour walk. Someone told us 4 hours. We're just going to see how long it takes. I think we go this way.
No, that looks dangerous.
Yeah.
Nah, this is going to end up like 47 hours or whatever it is.
40.
I'm putting my arm up.
Oh look, it's right there. It's no problem.
I'm putting my arm up.
Oh, this is so cool.
Oh, what do you need to bend down?
No, you didn't even need to bend down. You can do it. That's it. Scramble, scramble, scramble. Easy. Look at you. Yep. Big effort. That's it.
You are doing this in a dress.
This is a very pleasant walk.
And I hate walking.
Emma hates walking and she's having a good time. So far, really lovely walk. Look at Emma. Beautiful. What is in there?